Hi, um, this is December 2024 net paper, Physical Sciences, um, Part A questions only. So all my videos, I'll be discussing Part A questions only. I might pick up a few Part B questions where it is related to grid method or probability. So question 11 to 15 in this video. Question 11. If A is B's daughter, the B is mother or father of A. Okay. B is so A is B's daughter. So A is daughter of B. Okay. So B is mother or father of A. Okay. B is C's brother. So these two are siblings. And D is C's father. D is C's father. That means he's father to B also. Okay. Then what is A to D? So then what is A to D? So D is the grandfather and A is the granddaughter. That's it. Okay. Easy question. Okay, question 12. A monkey covers exactly 10 meters on ground in each jump. What is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? So this monkey jumps, and each jump he covers 10 meters. So what is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? What is the least number of jumps? If a monkey covers exactly 10 meters on ground in each jump, so what is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? So from where the monkey jumps first is here. This is from where he jumps first. So the least number of jumps required is one jump. What is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? I think what they mean is, if he jumps and covers 10 meters, then the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first. So then they're asking to go back to where he jumps first out here. Correct. So what is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? One meter away. So that means if he jumps from here, one jump, and then two jump, correct? Yeah. But the third jump, he'll be 11 meters, I don't know, 10 meters away. It's a confusing question. One meter away from where the monkey jumps first. So this monkey jumps here. I mean, if he can jump in any direction, then we have to probably look at a triangle with the size of 1 out here like this. I mean, a distance of 1, which is actually something. So this distance, I think they're looking at a triangle. Let's see. So if this is 10, this is 1, and if I'm here somewhere, this is 10 like this is 10 like this. Isosceles triangle हो सकता है. 10, 10, and 1. So jumps, 1 jump, 2 jump. So then, what is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance of 1 meter away from where the monkey jumps first? So he jumps from here, and then he jumps from here. So 2 jumps. First jump, second jump. So 2, 2. I'll go with 2. So earlier I was looking in a straight line, but then I realized it could be a triangle, isosceles triangle also, which is 1 meter away, and which is possible. Okay, so we're done with this question as well. Question 13. Cube root of 0.0125% is closest to. So see, write this down as a decimal form first. Okay. So that is 0.0125 divided by 100, which is point. This one will go 1 and 2. So you have 2 more zeros and then a point. So 0.000125. Correct? Yeah. And then you can write this down as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write this down as 125 into 10 to the power negative 6. Right? Make sense? And then you can cube root it like this. This is cube rooting it. So therefore, I know that 5 cube is 125. And this is negative 6 by 3. So negative 2. Got it? Negative 6 by 3. So my answer will be 5%. So this is the decimal equivalent of 0.05, which is nothing but 5%. Yeah, 5%. Fourth. Yeah, I'll just double check my answer. 0.0125% divided by 100. So it becomes 0.000125, correct? Yeah. And then that is 125 into 10 to the power negative 6, correct? Yeah. And that's it. Cube root of this is closest to. So correct. 5 cube, yeah, is 125. So 3 by 3 is 5 raised to 1. And minus 6 by 3 is, yeah, so this is 5 cube, okay, into 10 to the power negative 6 raised to 1/3. And that is 5 to the power 3 by 3 into 10 to the power negative 6 by 3. So that will give me 1 and negative 2. So that's it. 5% is my answer. Question 14. A chocolate bar of 5 centimeter length and 4 centimeter width has to be cut into 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter pieces. Yeah. Okay. So these are my 1 centimeter pieces. How many minimum cuts would be required if pieces are to be taken one by one? One can start by cutting along either length or width before removing 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter pieces one by one. So the idea is to one by one cut. How many minimum cuts would be required? So if pieces are to be taken one by one, so see, this is, if I start from here, yes, so I'll cut here 1 and 2, correct? Now I'll have 1 and 2. two cuts, two cuts, two cuts. Yeah. And for this one, I'll have one cut because after this entire strip goes away, something like this. So I just need one cut like this. So one cut here. Okay, now this is gone. So again, I'll start with two cuts, two cuts, two cuts, two cuts, again one cut. Yeah, again one cut. Then out here, this is the final strip which is remaining. So then I no longer require two cuts. I only require one cut, one cut, one cut, one cut, and no cut, zero cut out here because once I cut this, this is gone. Understood? It's a clever question out here. So therefore, the way to solve this question is break it down the way they've described it and you'll get your answer. So this is 8, 8, 8, 8, 3 the 24 and 3 out here. Yeah, that is 27 and 4 out here. Okay, so 31 cuts. But I don't have 31 cuts in my answer. So a chocolate bar, this has to be cut into 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. How many minimum cuts would be required if pieces are to be taken one by one? Hmm, what am I missing out here? So one cut, two, one cut, two, one cut, two. Cut. Okay, and then one cut. Similarly, one and two, two, two. This part is remaining. So one and two, one and two, one and two, one and two, and one. Oh, two. This is 24. How am I going beyond the answer options? If pieces are to be taken one by one, एक cut, दूसरा cut, one cut, two cut here and here. Let's try lengthwise, okay? Okay. So I cut here, then I need to cut here. Then I cut here, I need to cut here. And I cut here, I need to cut here. So two cuts and one cut here. And same thing here. And for the final one, it's just one cut, and one cut. No cut out here. We don't understand how they mean then if this is, yeah, I mean, there's no other way than this. 6, 4 are 24 and 5, 29, 31 cuts I'm getting. One can start by cutting along either length or width before removing 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter pieces one by one. Oh, okay. So this bracketed information is important. One can start by cutting along either length or width. So what it means is, let me clear this. I can straight away chop like this vertically if I want. Yeah. So I've cut it vertically. That's one cut. Then second cut, third cut, fourth cut, fifth cut. Got it? By the way, I've taken more. So I'll just remove one of them. Okay, so now this is 5 and that is 4. Okay, so now I've taken 1 cut, 2 cut, and 3 cut. That one remains on it as it is. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. So I've got my 3 cuts. Okay, so I'll just put it as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 cuts. Now I'll require horizontal cuts like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So add 4 to 3. Yeah. And then similarly 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And similarly 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last one, it will become uh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4. So 4 fours are 16, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's how I'm getting 19. Now double check your answer. What if you have cut in this fashion, right? So this is my 4 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So now if I'm cutting it with vertically like this with 4 pieces, earlier we had 5 pieces vertically. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cuts. And then, so now this is the strip on its own. So 1, 2, 3, and then 3 for this strip, 3 for this one, 3 for this one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 9 more. Yeah. And then I've got 1, 2, 3 again. Okay. So that is 9 plus 6, 15 and 4. I'm getting 19 either way. So B is the answer. Strange wordings. Okay. Diamond. Now, this question, I've read it before. The important part is the lakh per carat. Lakh per carat. Okay. So if you were to not look at this, then you probably say, okay, I am up to 675. I'm getting 1.5 also. I'm getting 2 also. Yeah. So I get 1.5, 1.5 here, and 2 and 2 here. So if you don't look at that, then you probably say, okay, 2 lakhs and 4 lakhs. It is a total of 675, less than that. So the important part in this question becomes that you read the y-axis carefully. It is clearly stating per carat. So let's start with 2. Yeah. So this is 2 carats and it is 4 lakhs. Okay. Price lakh per carat. So this is 4 lakhs per carat. So it's already going 8 lakhs out here. Understood? Because it's 2 carats, right? So 4 lakhs for 2 carats. Yeah. So 4 lakhs for 2 carats. So for 2 carats, it'll be 4 lakhs per carat. So this would become 8 lakhs. So we know it's going beyond 675 anyway. So we'll leave that. Hang on. Huh? So now we'll try 1.5. So this is 1.5 carats and it is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs per carat. So 3 plus 3 for 1 carat, and for half a carat, it'll be 1.5. So I'm getting 4.5 lakhs out here. So that leaves me with 6.75 minus 4.5 is 2.25. So and they're saying same size, identical size. So I'll go for 1.5 out here. And this is 1.5 lakhs per carat. 1.5 lakhs per carat. So 1.5 lakhs for 1 carat, and for half a carat, it'll be half of this. So 0.75. So that is 2.25. So I'll get my answer at 1.5 carats. Not that easy. It's a moderate level question because the information is hidden somewhere here. Yeah. So similar to that monkey question. So that's it. Question 11 to 15, I have finished. And in my next video, I'll continue with question 16 to 20. And after that, I won't be doing more papers. I'll be going on to topics like the grid method, probability, permutations, yeah, and mixtures, allegation method. So these four topics I'll cover. Each topic will, depending on the the subject, like if it is probability, it'll take 3 videos. Permutations, combinations will take 3 videos, and then mixtures I can complete it in 1 or 2 videos. Grid method in 1 or 2 videos. So um, after I've completed the next 5 questions in the next video, I'll move on to either the grids or the mixtures. And then after that, once I've completed those two, then I'll move on to permutations, combinations. So permutations, combinations, probability, I would like to take it live. So I don't know when that will be possible. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.